Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today I wanted to talk about Cellframe.net. So if you guys have not been to Cellframe.net, there's great reasons as to why you should check this coin out. I want to kind of walk you through what could be a special coin here, or really a special thing in general. So they talk about how its service-oriented blockchain platform is all about building and managing quantum-safe blockchain solutions with the Cellframe SDK. They do have a Cellframe Twitter account. They have a Cellframe Telegram. If you guys want to check these out, I will have all links down in the description below. If it does kind of entice you and think, maybe there's a shot for Cellframe to do something big, I think there definitely is. As we take a look a little bit farther down, you can see that there's framework advantages. That's being scalability, customization, and Python over C. So the big one to note here is the Python API allows you to build simple and elegant blockchain solutions powered by the raw performance of the C engine, which is going to continue to help build Cellframe into the right really hands. I think we're going to continue to see, like I said, Cellframe's original sharding implementation, allowing you to launch blockchain DAG subchains, which variable really consensus types in each Cellframe or cell network shard. So as you continue to scroll down through the site, you're going to see more and more about the services are the future of the blockchain. So one of the key elements of the Cellframe network architecture is to create and manage decentralized internet services. By design, smart contracts and other protocols cannot interact with the resources of the operating system. Cellframe services can leverage the host machine's computing power, bandwidth, and hard drive space. Unlike smart contracts on other protocols, where an oracle or a set of nodes uploads external data onto the blockchain, Cellframe services do not really require a third party, which is liable to also be compromised. A blockchain service on the Cellframe network does not have an address owner, and to reduce the risk of theft, service cache flow gets distributed between the providers, and no one has a private key from a contract with all the funds in it. They talk about how the quantum threat is real. They talk about the PQ encryption by default, encryption variability, and quantum keys. One thing I've talked about quite a bit, by the way, on this channel is the idea or ideology of, safety and security is so needed in crypto. We don't have much in regards of safety and security. We've talked about things like AMP. We've talked about things like Herobo. Cellframe is another thing that, really, in my mind, is going to ease the minds of the crypto users that, like I said, utilize Cellframe.net or Cellframe as a whole. So you can see here distributed VPN and CDN. They also talk about their blockchain framework, mirror chains, second layer solutions, edge computing, audio and video streaming, and blockchain interoperability. So there's a lot of great things that, kind of implement into the framework altogether. They also talk about reclaiming net neutrality. So this is a huge thing that a lot of people have been working for quite some time. So you can actually download the first decentralized VPN on the blockchain and join a true privacy network that protects your traffic from quantum and supercomputer attacks without affecting the quality of your browsing experience. We've heard people say stuff like this before, but this time it does look like Cellframe is taking the right path. They're going down the right, kind of roadmap here as well. As you can see, there's a lot of great things happening. They have the Cellframe dashboard beta wallet with UI that took place in August. They are, though, now, like I said, into this kind of security audits and penetration tests. They're going into the bridge with Ethereum testnet. December is going to be the mainnet launch. This is going to be absolutely huge in the bridge with Ethereum mainnet. So the big thing you're going to want to look out for, guys, I'm talking December and January being some of the biggest months for Cellframe altogether. And, there are some big things down the line, but December and January are going to be big to watch out for. If you look through the Meet the Team, you're going to see the QA lead, you're going to see the security engineer, Roman as the backend developer, and continue to see more and more backend and front end developers that are obviously going to need to help with this coin, really, and the whole framework of it all as well. You can see about the token. You can see Cellframe right now at 0.95. They have a perfect little chart here. It's actually on CoinGecko already, Dex tools, CoinMarketCap, wherever you'd like to go. Let's go over to CoinMarketCap, kind of talk about the price a little bit. So right now we do see about 98 cents. We can also see that Cellframe's doing fairly well. If you take a look at this most recent push in the last day, you're going to be able to see that there has been an increase of 1.75. You can take a look at the last 7 days. Obviously, the market as a whole has been kind of unstable when it comes to altcoins, but year to date, you can see that right now you are looking at a price that definitely has a chance of getting back to, that $5 to $4 price point that it started out as when it got listed on CoinMarketCap. So we'll see what happens, guys. I think this is, like I said, one of those that you are going to want to look into. But let's jump over back onto the Cellframe and take a look at some of these other things. So they have partners, a lot of great partners, by the way. If you guys don't know what Meter is, if you don't know what Union is, these are some great partnerships that are going to help lead the way for Cellframe down the line. A lot of great things on the roadmap, like I stated, but the one thing I want to jump into is their Twitter account. So their Twitter account kind of talks about some of the big things coming up. One of the biggest being Cellmates. We have finalized our auction website, performing some final tests. It's now on test.auction.cellframe.net and running on the Robinhood network. So if you actually take a look here, you can see a little bit more into their auction or test auction, and you can see the active, latest, future winners, and how this is all going to play a part or play a role. You can see that you can connect your wallet on the top right. So we'll see how this all goes, guys, and we'll keep you up to date through it all. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns about Cellframe, make sure to leave a comment down below. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on if you guys are interested in Cellframe. Like I said, I will have all links down in the description below. They're definitely doing something special. I think they're doing something unique, and that this could be definitely a potential. Remember, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, but it could be a potential very, 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 very viable option for hopefully a solid low market cap pick going into what we could see as altcoin season in December starting up yet again. So thank you guys again, like I said, for tuning in. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll see you guys all in the next one.